Here we've got a set of 718 Cayman adaptive LED headlights. The car was used on the track a lot. Actually, it had an accident on the passenger side. There are some micro fractures here, along with over here. I mean, the lamps are really dirty, but we are going to replace the lenses on them. It's pretty common with some of the 991 and 718 models that for some reason they can develop some micro fractures in the lens, and some owners want to change that, make them fresh again, put on some PPF. So we'll show you how this looks in a little bit. We'll get them opened up. Goal is to get out all the permaseal, replace it with some butyl, and add on the new lenses. But these will look fresh in just a little bit. All right, the headlight assemblies are on the car. And wow, it looks brand new. Honestly, the fitment's amazing. I haven't seen the insides of these lights when the lights are mounted on the vehicle, because the lenses were so shot and pitted, and didn't even realize some of the design elements until we had them open. There's that rod that goes in between the DRLs down below, and then right over here there's something that dips down. You see the acrylic rods. So it's funny, didn't even see all the features of these lamps because of the way that the lenses were. So fitment's amazing, just like the original. Everything lines up, the gasket fits perfectly. Really, really impressed with these, the quality of these lenses. They look just like the originals. They are not original, but they look amazing. So it's good to see this getting freshened up. There's gonna be a performance boost. The lights will look crisper and more clear when coming down the road because there's less distortion in those pitted lenses. But this is looking awesome. If you guys have any questions, email us at info@lightwerkz.net. We can discuss options with you if you want to send your lights in, drop off the vehicle. If you have a vehicle that's not listed on our website or you haven't seen us work with it, just reach out. Chances are we can get lenses for it. We can do a lens restoration. We can definitely help you out, okay? So reach out to us, subscribe to the channel. We appreciate your time and your support.